Okay, hi everyone. So this video now is going to show you how to link your content blocks to pages. Okay, so in our last video, we went through and we labeled all of our content blocks, and you would have added pictures so it all looks nice and presentable. So now in order to create new pages, so we link these to an interest project page, a health project page, etc. We have to go up to pages, and you'll see that there's just a home page because that's the only one that we've done so far. To add, you simply go to the plus down the bottom and you'll see new page, click once, and then you type the name of the page that you want, interest project, based on the name of the content block. Okay, and then you'll see it automatically creates a new page, like what you started with the home page. It's completely blank underneath. Okay, so you don't have to worry about that at this stage. We're just simply adding pages. Now you'll see up the top here it says home and interest project. So if I keep going with this, I'm going to get a whole menu of pages across the top. Instead, what you can do is actually nest this in the home page. Okay, so see now it's a little drop down. If I click on that arrow, it'll have interest project plus all the other ones that I'm going to add. So that's what I'm going to do. It's up to you how you do yours. Okay, so interest project, I've got one there. Can't remember my next one, so I can just click on home. And that brings me back to my home page. And that's right, health projects is the next one. So I'm still on pages, plus new page, health projects, done. And it's not that intuitive, you can see, so it's still putting it as a separate page. So I just simply drag it and drop, okay. I actually want it in order. So again, I can just drag and drop to get it into the right spot. I'll go back to home. And my next one is community service. So add community service. Done. And again, I'm just going to, it's a bit hard to kind of get it down the bottom. So once you get that line, if you just literally drop it there, and then it's a bit easier to kind of maneuver it like so, okay, by dragging and dropping. So back to home, and I've got certificates. Done. And I'm just going to go leaving to learn. If I can remember these ones, I'm going to fix it up in a minute. Literacy and numeracy. Journals. We had advisory, learning plans, and exhibitions. Okay, so now that I've got all those, I can literally just add them in where I want them to go, in the same order as what I've got on my home page. Okay, and I can remember that off the top of my head. You guys might need to just go back to your home page each time and just check where you want it to be. Okay, so there you go. I've got my 10 separate pages now nestled under my home page. Okay, and if I hover over my home there, you'll see there they all are there. So if I click home, there we go. I'm back to my home page. Okay, now, again, it's not that intuitive. And so what it hasn't done is automatically linked these to their relevant page. So you have to do that yourself. You'll see up here, I've already done that with these ones, and I can tell that because the actual heading is underlined, okay? These ones, you'll see they're not underlined. So I haven't linked them yet. So in order to link them, it's quite easy. All you do is double click on the word or the heading that you want to link, and you'll get this little menu. And if you go across, you'll see this little icon, looks like a bit of a paper clip, insert link. So I click that once, and then all the pages come up. So I literally just scroll down to the one that matches and apply. Then you can see I've got a line underneath, so I know that I've hyperlinked that. Over this one, leaving to learn. So again, I click on the insert link and leaving to learn, apply. And I'll just keep doing that for all of these. Make sure you do highlight the whole words. where's my literacy? Oh, got it in the wrong order there, haven't I? Okay, so yeah, make sure you do highlight the whole words. Otherwise, when someone goes to click on it, if they happen to be hovering over the letters that you haven't included, it won't automatically link. Okay, so just make sure you do all of those. So advisory. So for example, if I went like that, I would be hyperlinking the NING plans, but not the LEAR. Okay, so we want it all just to make it user-friendly. Okay, so learning plans, and lastly, exhibitions. That's right down the bottom. Apply. Okay, so now they're all hyperlinked. And so what will happen is when I preview my site, I can actually test to see if that's worked. And to preview, you'll see that there's this little button up the top. Okay, it looks like a little computer. Preview, if you click once on that, it brings up your site as to what it will look like when someone goes onto it. Okay. And just to check, if I go, I can see the little hand, like it's linked to something, interest project. Oh, and you know what? I haven't actually done that one. That's funny. Let's go to one I've just done. Certificates. There you go. Okay. So that's good because I've worked out, oh, I've actually got a mistake there. I need to fix that. Health projects, same thing. And certificates. So all of those ones that I already had don't work. So I can go back to, where's my, sorry, I'm just looking for where it says get out of that. Oh, where's my thing gone? Oh, okay. Yours, what you'll find, I think, is a little thing down the bottom, which has got stop preview, and you just click on the cross button. I'm on a Mac right now, which is why it's not working. So here, oops, sorry, my mistake. I'm going to get rid of that. Go back to, oh, this is a Mac for you, sorry. Go back to the original. Oh, here we go. So see how it says exit preview? So exit. Okay, I don't know why my Mac was doing that differently. Okay, so here I can go, all right, I need to actually highlight that, edit the link because it's not correct, and I can see the link is not right. So I just delete what's in there, and instead I find interest project and apply. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing here. So if I highlight all of it, edit, just delete what I've got in there at the moment and change it to health projects, apply, and then same with community service, edit, delete, apply. All right, and just to double check, I'm going to go to preview, interest project, there we go, okay, and I can exit my preview just to go back. Okay, so that's how you add your pages and you hyperlink them into your home page. All right, stay tuned for the next video where I will show you how to publish your site and show it to other people with a link.